morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has lost 0.6% in the last session. The RSI has receded into neutral territory. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.9% in the last session. The ROC has shot up into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.9% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator is picking up speed and is currently positive. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator moved sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Amazon said independent businesses selling on its platform crossed $4.8 billion in worldwide sales from Black Friday, an increase of more than 60% from a year earlier. A senior British minister said there was still a chance of a Brexit without a trade deal, as talks with the EU had snagged on fishing, governance rules, and dispute resolution. Bitcoin briefly hit a new record high as demand for Bitcoin from institutions has been rapidly increasing.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Australian GDP will be released at 0:30 GMT. The Australian home loans at 0:30 GMT, the Swiss CPI at 7:30 GMT, the Eurozone's PPI at 10:00 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 10:00 GMT, and the U.S. MBA mortgage applications at 12:00 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.